In this video, we are going to learn about how we can change the text widget color as per condition basis. So we are going to change the text widget color as per constant value. So currently constant value is flutter red. Now we are going to constant and constant value is flutter red. Now that constant value is bind with this text widget. Now our goal is change the text color as per condition basis. Now currently text color is black. Now here I select in text color. Here add conditional base value. Now I type here condition. Select single condition and here select a constant. Select constant and flutter. If its value is flutter red equal to flutter red, then its color is red. And another condition we can add here. Select single condition and add condition constant const 1 and equal to flutter green, then its color is green. Now otherwise its color is default is black. Now currently flutter red constant value is configured. Now I run this application and we can see there text widget color should be red. Now project is started. We can see here text widget color is red. Now we can see we can going to constant and here change the value green and save and going to editor and do instant reload and checking out text widget color is reflected and change in a green or not. Now we can see here text widget color is changed. Currently text widget color is green. So this way we can change the basis of the condition